You clicked this video because you want to know what Gen Z knows about money that everyone else seems to miss. Well, these habits are literally rewriting the rules of building wealth. And here's the twist. You don't need to be a Gen Z to use them. In fact, I'll show you how to copy their best money moves, and at the end, I'll share one Gen Z financial hack that even millionaires are using right now. Let's get into it. Everyone calls Gen Z the broke generation, crushed by student loans, rent, and avocado toast. Yes, you can't see me, but I'm rolling my eyes too. But the truth? They're quietly mastering habits that could make them the richest generation ever. They grew up during recessions, inflation spikes, and crypto crashes, so they don't trust hype. They trust systems. Instead of chasing get rich quick, they're building steady habits that actually work. Let's start with one that's deceptively simple but ridiculously powerful. Gen Z knows one brutal truth: self-discipline fails, automation doesn't. They're setting up automatic transfers, $10, $50, $100 every paycheck, directly into investing apps like Fidelity, SoFi, or Robinhood. They don't remember to save, they remove the need to remember. You may have heard the phrase, pay yourself first, and that's exactly what this is. You no longer have to worry about investing if you have anything left over because it becomes built into your lifestyle. Here's what this looks like in real life. Let's say you get paid every Friday. You set your bank to automatically move $50 into an investing app. After 3 months, you've invested $600 without even noticing. It's like setting a money machine on autopilot. Most people don't realize you can literally automate your wealth building overnight with a 5-minute setup. This habit compounds over time. Literally, compound interest is such a powerful tool to have working for you. For example, someone investing $10 a day automatically could have over $30,000 in just a few years, all while never thinking about it. So what's the lesson here? You don't need to be rich to build wealth, just consistent. Now, this next habit is making Gen Z insane amounts of money because they grew up in a world that's always online. They understand it, but it's something anyone can learn to do. Yes, even you. Instead of just side hustles, Gen Z is obsessed with digital assets. No, not crypto, I mean real, cash-flowing digital products. They sell Notion templates, budget trackers, Etsy planners, ebooks, stuff that earns money passively while they sleep. This is huge because it's teaching an entire generation the difference between working for money and owning systems that make it for you. The average person trades 40 hours a week for a paycheck. Gen Z builds something once, a digital product, an ebook, a video, and it keeps working after they log off. It's like the difference between running on a treadmill and owning the treadmill company. You can literally use the same platforms to create something once and earn for years. Take Amazon KDP, for example, where you can publish coloring books or low-content notebooks and Amazon handles the rest. Or even YouTube. Once you gain traction, you can monetize in numerous ways and grow your income exponentially. So if you're older, don't give up, take notes. It's not too late to jump in. You just need to commit to learning the systems that are put in place and how you can benefit from them. YouTube is a great place for learning new skills and ways to make money and invest. You're here watching this video after all, and that's a great start. And learning to utilize the 24/7 interconnectivity brings us Gen Z habit number 3. For most people, social media is a time suck. For Gen Z, it's a money printer. They use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and even LinkedIn to build personal brands that attract opportunities, not distractions. Even micro-audiences can lead to sponsorships, freelance gigs, and clients. Gen Z understands that the reach of these social media platforms can amplify their consumers far better than any traditional methods can. Not everyone online is trying to be an influencer and chasing clout by completing ridiculous viral challenges. Some creators educate or teach a new skill, create or animate short films, or use it to promote their offline products or services. Gen Z understands the power of the algorithms and realize they aren't the enemy, they're business partners. For example, creators like Ali Abdaal started by teaching productivity tips while still in med school. Now he earns millions a year doing the same thing online. You don't have to go viral, you just need to show up with value consistently. So the next time you scroll, ask yourself, am I consuming or am I creating? Now this next part is where things get interesting. Because while these habits make Gen Z smarter with money, there's one mistake they're still making, and you might be too. The biggest trap: investing without patience. Gen Z wants results fast: crypto millionaires, overnight stocks, viral videos. They grew up in a world of instant gratification, dopamine addiction, and celebrities propped up by social platforms and who became wealthy very quickly. But real wealth takes time. Even Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Even as one of the savviest investors of our lifetime, Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire until he was 56 years old. Now at age 95, he is worth over $147 billion. He built his fortune off investing in companies that make sense and have a long-term growth potential, not by leveraging his assets to the nose or betting on meme coins to take off. So if you combine Gen Z's innovation with old-school patience, you get the best of both worlds, fast adaptability and long-term results. Here's that bonus I promised, the learn-to-earn loop. Gen Z doesn't just make money, they learn how money works through free content. From podcasts to YouTube channels, they're self-educating nonstop, learning new skills or learning how to cash in on skills they already have, and the more they learn, the more they earn. In fact, the fastest rising income group in the US isn't people with fancy degrees, it's self-learners. People using YouTube, online courses, and AI tools to build 21st century skills that schools never taught. That's why if you're watching this video, you're already doing what the wealthy do, you're investing in knowledge. Investing in yourself will have the best return on any investment you will ever have. Money comes and goes, but no one can take away knowledge that you've acquired over your lifetime. So let's recap. Habit 1, automate everything. Habit 2, build and sell digital assets. Habit 3, create more than you consume. And Habit 4, stay patient and keep learning. If this helps, smash that like button so more people can see it and subscribe for weekly videos that make money simple. Thanks for watching.